Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. So in today's video, I will show you how to combine PDF files into one in mobile without the use of your computer. So to get started, we will need this website. I will put the link of this website in the description of this video. After opening the website, you just need to click on choose files, and after that choose the files that you want to merge together from your phone and click on files. Enter to your files. For example, I will take these two documents, click on them, choose them, and click select. And as you will see, this is the two files that I choose from my phone. And you have two options now. You have the option of add more if you want to add more pages or more PDF documents. And you have the option of merge PDF. So if you want to combine, for example, these two documents, we need to just click merge PDF. And as you can see, this is the final document. In a few seconds, you can directly download it by clicking on download, or you can preview it by clicking on preview. And like that, you will merge any PDF documents you want in just a few seconds without the use of your computer, by just using your smartphone or your mobile phone. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.